What's up YouTube? You guys been asking me about how do we add custom maps to GTA 5. So let's get started. Now what happens is there's so many free maps that you can actually install on the game. Those are available online on different just internet websites. One of the best sites I really like is GTA 5 mods.com is one of the best sites ever that you can really use for adding your maps. So how do we install a map on GTA 5? Sometimes like you have some specific way of like gameplay, or you want to use a specific map for a specific purpose, maybe enjoy something, because sometimes you're just like bored of the regular GTA maps and you want to try something new, or just want to use a custom map for a specific purpose, whatever. So now I'm taking you through that. So you just have to go to GTA5mods.com. I'm gonna send you, or just put you the link in the description, and there's so many maps out there. So if you just go ahead and check maps and just go down, what happens is if you're going to install a custom map on GTA 5, what you need to do is you have to select a map that is using the tool that you're already, or the system that you're using inside the game. So for me now, I'm using Menyoo spawner, so I'm looking for some map that is supporting Menyoo spawner. So it has to be showing on the map that it's using XML or Menyoo spawner. So let's search for one that uses Menyoo. So this one, for example, if we go there, it supports Menyoo, as you can see. Add-ons SP plus Menyoo XML. So we will be using Menyoo XML. So we can use this one. I think there is a review. There is no preview for this one, like a video preview or something. So let's go back. I'm thinking about choosing another one, let me search for another one that is supporting Menyoo. We have many, but I don't see Menyoo here. Let's go number 3. Scroll down. Yeah, this one. BeamNG. Jump to whole map Menyoo. Let's try this one. So actually, let me download this one now. It's a very small file size, don't worry. Start download, and then Menyoo spawner. I've downloaded this before but now we're doing it again to show you how things work, right? So after downloading the map, you just need to drag the XML file, put it on your desktop outside, and then you just need this file. Choose this one, right? Now let me delete this one. I don't need it anymore. I don't want to get confused. So you've just dragged your XML to the desktop, and now what you need to do is you want to move it to the game track, right? So let's go and check where I put my game. I put it in D. So I'm going to games, GTA Theft Auto, and then Menyoo stuff. There we go. I'm gonna drag my map in here, right? It's dragged inside. Oh, sorry, I think it's the wrong track. Just let me undo this. You have to put it inside the spawner, right? Yeah, spawner. Drag it inside your spawner. Very nice. BeamNG drive. Jump. Let me rename it so it becomes easier when I want to search it inside the game. So just call it BeamNG. That's it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, now it's done. So now I can launch the game and start using my map. So let's just get started. I start my game from this desktop shortcut. So yeah, there we go. I think the game is gonna be taking a little bit of time to start because I'm using screen recorder as well. I don't have a very powerful CPU, so I'm thinking about upgrading to something better. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Oh, what happened? I clicked the wrong button. Yeah. So it's starting now. So almost done. Now it's just launched. Okay, so this is the regular map that starts when you just start the GTA, right? I'm gonna ride this motorcycle, bro. Yeah. So let me just stop here. Yeah. Now for choosing my map, as I told you that we're using the Menyoo tool, so I'm gonna hit F8, and then just go down, object spawner, spawn entity into the world. No, sorry, manage saved files. This is for your maps, right? And then I'm gonna be searching my map. Jump, beam, ng, jump. Where is it? Where did I put this? Oh my gosh. Searching. Yeah. I just found it. There we go. Click. And then hit load placements. So now it's gonna download. Now it's done. I think this is our map, right? Objects. Yeah, here's the beam ng jump. Here is my jumping track. So to make it faster, I'll be using Shift and W to move Franklin faster. So here is the map, right? It looks like the previous one, but you just got the track here. We will do one more video to show you how to install a whole new map, right? There we go. Look at that. That's really awesome. So here I have one vehicle. They put us, I think it's a Dodge car, right? Yeah. This is a Dodge, so let me ride it. Backspace, F8, and then... But what about riding a motorcycle? Let me spawn a new motorcycle. Spawn objects. Object to spawner, and then you choose, just go back. Object to spawner, spawn entity into the world, vehicle. And then I'm gonna choose a motorcycle. You know, sports. Nope, not here. SUVs, trucks, motorcycles, yeah. So to be choosing, I'm looking for a Honda. Would be cool if I can't find a Honda. I like Honda. Motorcycles. Let's just try this one. Shutaro. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Alright. Backspace. I'm gonna remove my car a little bit here. I hope my motorcycle is not broken, you know. So there we go. Yeah, there we go, guys. We are ready to drive now. Here is your new custom map. Oh wow, look at that. That's really awesome. I don't want to lose my track, right? Wow, very fast. This is insane. This is so insane. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh yeah. So now I just crashed, but Franklin is still gonna be okay. So what happens is you can spawn lots of other objects and you can hit them and enjoy playing. You know, can put like just balls, you can add trees, you can add any kind of objects, you know. Boxes, barrels, cylinders, anything you want to add, you can just add it. Alright, so let's try another one. So what about this one? Doesn't support Menyoo, I think. It doesn't support Menyoo, so as you can see here. So let's go for another one. Let's just keep searching, you know. But I'm looking for a more like epic map. So what about this one, for example? I'm just looking for something that we can have fun with. Maybe has like, yeah, what about this one? Let me check this. Oh, looks interesting, but I'm looking for something that has tracks so we can play with. I want to race, you know. Where the other, yeah, this one looks very nice. It supports Menyoo, right? So let's download this one. It's epic. Download. And then motorbike challenge, yeah. Drag this one, just the XML file to your desktop, and then go to the game track again, We are in spawner menu stuff, spawner, and then let me, yeah, just I'm not gonna rename this one, just move it within the same name. All right, so now it's moved. Go back to the game, and then just hit F9, sorry, F8, and then search for, yeah, motorbike challenge. This time we have to delete database entities so we don't duplicate the objects and the props from this one. So when we're loading the new one, it's gonna start like brand new map, and it's not gonna stress your RAM memory. Okay, so I just hit delete database entities because I am not starting from the beginning. I'm starting after I've already just loaded one map. So load placements, let's hit that. Wow, this is interesting. We have lots of motorcycles, but let me hit F9 and see what's going on here. I think, yeah, we have the track. Look at that. Wow, fantastic. It's gonna be very interesting. So let's climb back to the start points. So as you can see, if you make any changes on this map and you would like to save those changes, I'll be telling you how can you save changes or any modifications that you apply to your map. So F8 to go to playing mode again, close menu, and then F9, right? Now I'm back to play mode. I'll be choosing this. Let me choose this CPR. I think it's a Honda, right? Here we go. Start racing. Wow. That's crazy. Oh yeah. I'm trying to get back to the track, but it's really hard, you know. Anyways, thank you very much guys for watching. Now you know how to add a custom map using Menyoo spawner, and with the next video I'll be teaching you how can you apply changes to your map and save it and use it again. This is gonna be an easy process, and also in future tutorials we will be learning how to make modifications to a map from zero. Just making, like, I'll be teaching you how to build a map from zero and how to apply a modification to any map. Let me show you an example before we just finish. I just wanted to show you a quick example here, for example, right? You know, if you want to move this object, for example, like the map parts, you know, this one, just let's try this one. You just go to manual placement, and then as you can see I can move each part separately. So this is what we're gonna be doing next tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. See you next video.